We're waiting for the sun to come up by this rock here, and I'm on the ice on Lake Baikal, and the sun's going to be coming up over here, and I'm taking this now because my camera is warm. And but here's the lake over here. We're over here. I'm going to swing around here. If I don't slip on the ice, I don't have my crampons on. So there it is. And we got the other people back here. Their vehicles are over there. Okay. Well, it's still the rock that we're waiting for the sun to come up. My fingers are a little cold here. So we're down here on the ice. And the ice is right here. The lake is underneath of us here. And this is all ice down there. I don't want to slip and fall because I don't have my crampons on. But as we come back here, you can see the rest of our group. Up there, here's all the ice. Down here, photographer's getting lined up. My finger's getting cold here. Get my finger out of the way so I don't have my stick. And here's the ice here. Alright. Picking them up, putting them down on the ice. Yes, indeed. Okay. Well, there's the sun coming up now. All photographers are out there.
Yeah, I think that's why it flows a lot. There you go, that's scarlet.
How was your shooting in the morning?
Was excellent.
Oh, we climbed up to the top of this little hill here. We got this tree, and I forget the name. My fingers are cold. My nose is running. My eyes are watering. But everything else is not too bad. There's a Lake Baikal out there, frozen over. Okay, there's the tree. Got the camera warmed up a little bit more here now. And well, there's Shadow Man there, but we're right on the other side of the little temple. As we look out here, we can see Lake Baikal. There it is, all out there, all frozen over. Yes, indeed. Okay, got the hand warmer with the GoPro. All right. Well, I'm walking back down the hill here. There's our vehicles down at the bottom, and crunchy snow, nobody around. Picking them up, putting them down, picking them up, putting them down, as usual here. So, all right, pick up a little speed here now. All right, fingers getting cold. Got to put the camera away. This is the stone garden. This is right here. Okay, I'm walking along the stones here. There's Shadow Man. All different ones here. And it's Lake Baikal back there. Shadow Man is waving his hand here. There he is. So at the top here, Lake Baikal. Ed Getley here. I'm at Lake Baikal. Sun is shining on me here. You might be able to see me. It's I think about a half hour earlier was like a minus 23 degrees Fahrenheit. So we got all that in back of us here. Nose is running, eyes are watering, whatever here. So I'm doing the best that I can here. All right, Ed Getley signing off. Bye-bye. There's a car going out there. I don't know if you can see him. He's out there somewhere going across.